Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The temperature screen is the main screen for all heating processes and is the default screen that appears when the unit is turned on. If a heating program has been loaded from the ArcReach Heater Data app, the Weld ID is shown at the top of the screen. The current time, date, and recording timer are also displayed. A recording indicator flashes while data is being recorded. The main section displays readings for all connected thermocouples. If a control TC is not sending a reading, the box of that TC turns red. A TC that is not connected will show no signal and have dashed lines in the middle of the blue box. The ArcReach heater monitors all connected thermocouples for signal quality while heating. If it detects an issue while using a single TC, the system will fault. Heating is stopped and a fault message is displayed. Correct the issue with the TC and press the Run button to restart the heating process. If it detects an issue while using multiple TCs, the system goes into a hold mode and will hold the present temperature of the hottest remaining control TC. The background of the suspect TC will turn yellow, and an icon is displayed in the lower right corner of the TC field to indicate the issue with the TC. This image depicts that the TC temperature is falling. If the part had been heating and a TC suddenly drops in temperature, the TC may have been pulled out from under the heating coil. The possible solution is to reposition or replace the TC. This image depicts that noise is detected within the TC reading. The most likely cause is that a welded TC lead has broken loose and should be reattached or replaced. The other possibilities are that a TC probe is damaged, or a TC lead is routed with the direction of induction heating cable and the lead should be separated to address the issue. The information in the right panel depends on the current heating process, preheat or bakeout. By default, preheat information is displayed, including a target temperature. You can adjust the target temperature using the up and down arrow buttons. If a loaded preheat program includes range limits, the range displays below the target temperature.